How to remove ticks from dogs at home. Ticks are small, blood-sucking parasites that can cause discomfort and even transmit diseases to dogs. If you're a dog owner, it's important to know how to safely remove ticks at home. Done properly, it can protect your dog's health and save you unnecessary vet visits. Here's a simple guide. 1. Stay calm and prepare your tools. First, don't panic. Ticks are common, especially if your dog spends time outdoors. To remove them safely, you'll need fine-tipped tweezers or a special tick removal tool, gloves to protect your hands, rubbing alcohol, a small jar or container, cotton balls and antiseptic solution. 2. Locate the tick. Gently part your dog's fur and check common hiding spots such as the ears, between the toes, under the collar, armpits, and tail area. Ticks usually appear as small, dark, or grayish bumps attached to the skin. 3. Remove the tick properly. With tweezers, grasp the tick as close to your dog's skin as possible, pull upward slowly and steadily without twisting. Avoid crushing the tick, as this can cause harmful bacteria to enter the wound. If you're using a tick removal tool, slide it under the tick and lift it out gently. 4. Clean the area. After removal, clean the bite area with antiseptic and disinfect your tweezers. Place the tick in rubbing alcohol inside a jar. This kills it safely and lets you keep it for identification in case your vet needs to check for tick-borne illnesses. 5. Monitor your dog. Keep an eye on your dog for the next few weeks. Watch for signs like fever, loss of appetite, swelling, or unusual tiredness. These can indicate tick-borne diseases, and you should contact your vet immediately if they appear. 6. Prevention is key. The best way to deal with ticks is to prevent them. Use vet-approved tick prevention treatments, collars, spot-on treatments, or oral medications. Keep your yard trimmed and clean to reduce tick habitats. Check your dog regularly, especially after walks in grassy or wooded areas. Final thoughts. Removing ticks from your dog at home is simple if done carefully. With the right tools and calm steps, you can protect your pet from discomfort and serious illness. Always follow up with preventative care to keep ticks away in the future.